Well, it's spring in Kansas City. The flowers are in bloom. The birds are chirping. What more could you ask for? Finally, it's spring. The grass is green, and actually it looks like I need to mow here pretty soon. Man, I am going to have to mow. Oh well, that's okay. I don't mind mowing. The flowers are in bloom. Oh yes. I even planted pansies. Okay, enough laughing. They like cold weather. I love the pansies. I'm always the first one on the street to plant the pansies. Daffodils are in bloom. Things are coming up. There's birds and flowers. Oh, it's spring. Yay! Oh my God. What the? I don't believe this. I don't believe it. This is not real. What the hell is going on? Oh. I don't think this is funny, Mother Nature. Not at all. Knock it off, would ya? I hate winter. I would much rather have spring. But that's what happened to spring. Well, at least I saved my pansies. I put them up on the porch. They'll do just fine.